Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing how I took this $1 thrifted vase and made it look like artisan pottery. I first started by sanding the surface of my pitcher. If you don't plan on covering the whole surface with paste, I highly recommend applying some primer at this point after sanding. Next, I took some pre-mixed stucco and applied a layer onto the vase. I let it dry overnight and the next day sanded down the surface. Now I was ready for spackling. For the full list of supplies, visit the link in the description, or I will add a link at the top of my comments. I'm linking all the products I used in my blog. The idea of applying spackling is to smooth out the stucco texture somewhat, not completely. It doesn't have to be perfect at this point. The spackling will stay pink until it is actually fully dry, then it will turn white. That is how you know it's completely dry. I left mine overnight again to dry, and the next day I sanded it down again. Next, I used some leftover gray beige interior sample paint and gave it a thin coat of paint. It's okay if the white pops through in some areas. Once this layer of paint is dry, I mixed up a lighter color with some craft paint and applied it, dry brushing it on. So pretty much apply a small dab and rub it around to create a cool effect. I let the paint dry completely, then I used a hard grit sandpaper to rough up the surface for a final finish. And that's it. Here's how my vase turned out. I love all the rustic details and can't wait to do this on more thrifted vases in different colors. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for the full list of supplies to make this project. I'll see you all next time. Bye!